Good morning, welcome back to another St.Chateau vlog. It's Mark and I coming at you with vlog number like 7 or something, I don't even know. But anyways, we're on our way to a location. Mark's got more of the details on that. Mark, tell them where we're going, what's going on here.
We're headed over to a really nice house in a very beautiful neighborhood that we have installed carpet in several of the rooms, and we're just going to go take a look at it before anybody gets moved into the house. Really nice. Maybe we'll do a tour of the whole house.
Ooh, like a tour today or on this vlog? Or?
Yeah,
let's do it.
Pretty righteous.
Very good.
It's an awesome house.
So make sure that you guys click that subscribe button and ring that notifications bell, okay, to see more of my beautiful face and more of Mark's mug.
I would like a Egg McMuffin and a medium black coffee, and would you give me like 1 creamer and about 5 sugars in the bag? I'll put it in it.
Was it a 3rd story up there? I don't even know. Wow. This is surroundings. This is a brand new house, isn't it? Mm-hmm. I said a Woo! Nice. All right, and we're in now. Ooh.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So we did all carpet upstairs. Pretty, ain't it?
It's huge in here. It's massive. Like what? It's like a dream house. Oh my goodness. What'd you think about it, Mark?
I love the open kitchen, open ceiling. That's awesome.
This is just awesome. Look at this. Just this for my suits, man. And this for my shoes over here now.
Where do you start up here? Because it's as nice up here as it is downstairs. But anyway, so here's one of the bedrooms that we put carpet in.
Ooh, very nice. I'm gonna walk on it. Is this soft? Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's how fluffy this stuff is.
Very nice.
Ooh.
And bedroom number 2.
Make sure that you guys like and subscribe and share, okay? If you're not already following us, hit the subscribe button right now so that you can see Mark's mug and my beautiful face again, okay? So we love you guys. Thank you so much for joining us and subscribing, being part of our channel. We'll see you guys in the next video.